What's up guys, I believe you are enjoying the LangGraph Course Series. In previous video we built this graph. Basically what it does, if you pass some name like Ali and list of integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will add this list like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and return the result like hello Ali, your sum is equal to 15. I also gave you an exercise, so instead of adding the list of integers, your function will multiply the list of integer and update the result. So we will see that how to build the multiplication function today. In today's video we are going to extend our agent state, like it will have an operator parameter. In operator there will be a plus operator or multiplication operator. So if you will pass plus operator, it will add the list of integers. If you will pass multiplication operator, it will do the multiplication and return the result. First of all, let's see how to write multiplication operator. I'm going to just copy this one and let's paste here and let's comment it out. So here I will say it is multiplication, and instead of 0 I will write 1. Let me just copy it and I will paste here and paste here. Instead of plus operator, it will do multiplication. We loop through the all numbers and we will multiply those numbers and store the result in multiplication variable. So we will update the state result with hello state name, whatever the name you will pass, and it will say your multiplication is equal to multiplication, not the sum. Let me just run it again and let's print. Here I pass name and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is our result 120. It is simple. In this way you had to finish your exercise. Instead of writing our own function, we also be able to use Python built-in function, that is sum and multiplication. Our previous exercise is done. Now let's move to the next exercise. Now what you have to do, instead of just these three parameters, you have to add another parameter like operator, and in that operator you will pass multiplication operator or plus operator, just two for now. So if there will be multiplication operator, your calculation node or calculation function perform the multiplication and return the state. If it will be sum operator, means plus operator, your this calculation node perform the addition and return the updated state. You have to perform the task in this node. You don't have to create another node. Just pause the video and try to do it by yourself. So let's do the exercise. For that I will create another notebook and let me just copy these things here. Also agent state, let's run it. Now we have to create our node. Its name will be same, calculation, and here we will pass the state and its type is agent state, and it will return the updated state, that will be agent state. In this node our first job is to check either this operator is plus operator or multiplication operator. So how to access it? I will simply type state operator. I'm saying if state operator is equal to sum, means plus. If it is plus operator, it will add the list. Let me just copy this code and paste here. Let's uncomment it. It is checking if state operator is plus. It will create a variable sum and initialize it with 0 and will loop through the whole list of integer and store the result in sum. And after that we will update the state result with this string. Our operator will be plus operator or multiplication operator. So instead of checking if state operator is equal to multiplication operator, I will simply say else. Let me just copy these lines and paste here. If it is not plus operator, then it will be multiplication operator, and we are simply saying else perform this job, means multiply the list of integer and store the result in multiplication and update the state result. For this video, I'm not going to make it complicated, like maybe user do not pass any operator or pass another number. So we are not handling that situation for now. So in this there is simple if and else function, and one more thing we have to do, whatever the block will be run, either this block or this block, we have to return our state. Let me just run it, and let's just copy this code and paste here. And to visualize, I will simply copy this and paste here. And also to invoke our graph, we'll use these lines, and it has also an operator. Let's pass the plus operator and let's invoke it. Now let's print the final state. It is saying name is Ali, numbers are 1 2 3 4 5, operator is plus, and result is hello Ali, your sum is equal to 15. Let's only print the result. It will be result. Let's run it. It is saying hello Ali, your sum is equal to 15. Let me rerun it with a different operator, maybe this time multiplication operator. And now let's print the state result. It is saying hello Ali, your multiplication is equal to 120. In this way you can use if and else statement in just one single node and do your job this way. In next video we'll see that how to add multiple nodes and what are sequential nodes. We'll see this in next video. Have a great day guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next video.